The app screenshots are one of the important factor which makes sure that the user press the install button or not. And if the app screenshot is not up to the mark, user will never press the install button. So it is a part of conversion and funnel. So it is very important and you should also take care of it. And today I am covering one of the Figma community template where you can upload your app screenshot and export it, and it looks very professional and user will be tempted to install it. So this is it. I have this GitHub starter kit in which I have linked the Figma file, which is like the public file, again linked from my ID because I have edited this Mac version, so that's why I've kept this one. But yes, this is taken from community and edited for my own purposes. You can also use it, so that's why I've kept it as a different file. I'm right now editing this particular file, which is my personal template. And you can see I've uploaded one of my app screenshot here. Now, how to export your app screenshot and what exactly you do. So let's talk about it. So first of all, let me get the logo. So when I press this image, I have this particular image replace. So I will search for 1024 whether I can get it. So it is in here. So this is my app store screenshot. So yeah, this is my logo, but there is some issue. You can see it is getting circled. So I don't want this circle to happen. So to fix this one, I have to get this double click and I need to fix this one. So let me just get this one. And let me just see if I do this one. So it is in circle right now. I need to make sure that this crop doesn't happen in circle. So for that I need to okay. So you can see I am getting this particular option. So let me just do, yeah. So let me just press this one. So you can see that now if I do this one, it is fixed. So if you need a like square, so you can always do this one. So you can see this. So let me just give a tagline, be proud. Be proud by tracking your bad habits. So be proud of your bad habits. So let me do this one and I will just hope whether this convert or not. So maybe this is my first screenshot. So you can see this is my first screenshot. And the second screenshot is this one. Everyone talks about good habits, but sacrifice makes good habits anyway. So I know I'm just like writing it very random. So you can see this one and let me just like give it proper reference. And you can see here I have this item. So I just need to change the text to black. So yeah, this is done. And yeah, so you can see I can like add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So around 10 screenshots I can attach. So if you want 10 screenshot, minimum 3 is required. So I have like 3 screenshots are prepared from my from my own. So I will just go here and click this one and I will press the upload from computer. So I have already taken this screenshot, and how to take iPhone screenshot I will talk about this here too. So let me just add one file and I will just talk about that. So it is actually in my desktop. So let me just say what screenshot do I want to put. So maybe this is what I want to put. So let me just put this one and let me just, okay. So there is 2 attachments I need to click. So you can see this is the iPhone 16 Pro and this is the device. So I need to click both of this. Oops. So I need to click this whole complete and I can do this one. And yes, this is done. And you can see this is actually great in my opinion. Maintain streak by not performing bad habits. So let me just, so I am just doing random. So maybe these are my 4 screenshot or maybe last one, and that is app widgets which makes you proud. So here I don't want to use this screenshot, so I will delete this one. So I have particular screenshots which I have taken from my app, so I will just upload this one. And here you can see I've uploaded this one and I need to crop this one too. So yeah, this is it, and I need to crop this one. So I will select crop, and yeah, you can say this one. And let me just do this one. And yeah, I'm pretty good to go. Yeah. So let me just do this one. So this is one, or let me do one more thing. So let me just crop it directly to my widget so I don't get the app mockup directly. So just do this one. Yeah. So this is actually better. And let me give here some roundness. So let me give 30. So you can see I have given 30 roundness. So let me just put it here. If I put it here, does it look good? No. So let me just put this one here, and let me just get this. Well, let me just get one more screenshot from my app widget, which I am proud about. So let me just find this screenshot. Yep. Yeah, this is good. So let me just put this one, and I have this one. So I will put this one. So here I have to again crop it. So yeah, let me just go here, crop it, and you can see I can crop it here. So this is like the live thing which I wanted to do on how to create this one. So you get the point of how exactly you should be able to do it. So you can say I have done this. So let me just increase these sizes, and let me just increase this size. Yes. So yeah, this is almost done. So what I need to do is I need to put some boundaries. You can see that I need to put some boundaries, and let me just do 40 here, and let me again do 40 here. So you can see this looks good in my opinion. So let me just compress this one here so I can fit everything inside this particular box. And let me just put this one down, put this one up, and this one like this one, and let's put this one like this one. So yeah, I have got these screenshots, and you can say this actually looks little bit blank, so I will just get my another screenshot which I have taken from. So this is the weekly streak, so let me just put it here, and again I have to crop it, as you know. So let me just go here and edit it, And this is almost done. And let me just put again corner radius as 40. So yeah, widget is prepared. And let me just do this here. And since both of them doesn't look equal, so let me just go here, put some width, and yeah, this looks almost same. So I can center this one. So you can see I have taken around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 screenshot I have taken. Now how to export this one? So go here. So you can see one slice is selected. So you can see one slice is selected. Go in the export, select 2x and export slice 1. But while exporting, put it in a folder. So right now you can see it is getting exported. Now I have to give iOS screenshot and bad habit tracker app. So this is my folder which I have created, and I will put here this slice one instead of screenshot one. So if I do this one, so you can see this is done. Okay, this is not created according to my requirements. So I will go here, bad habit tracker, and here I will create this one iOS screenshot app. And if I go put this one, so you can see this screenshot one is prepared. Now if I put this one directly in my app store, it will get directly accepted. So let me just try to put it here so that you get the understanding whether it works or not. Even if it doesn't work, it will just throw an error of size. Otherwise, it won't throw any error. So you can see it is 6.5. So I will choose one file, and again I will go to download. Bad habit tracker app, iOS screenshot one. Screenshot one is uploaded. So you can see the dimensions are wrong. Dimension should be this one. So let me just verify the dimension once again. Or what I can do, like there are again alternatives. So let me just 1284 and what I need 2778. Now you can see I have got this extra white space. So let me just yep. Now this is the final call. Yep, it worked. So don't worry about that. I will update this again there. So yeah, don't worry about that. But yeah, this is actually much needed, and you can see this file was chosen. And now can I save? Yeah, it is saved already. So be proud of your bad habits. So this is the first screenshot which have gone. So you have understood how to exactly build this one. Now I just need to copy this same size here and here. So if I delete this one, if I delete this one, if I delete this one, so let me just delete this one. And yeah, pretty much it. So you get the point. Just duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Of course, I need to rearrange everything. But yeah, this solves a major problem we had about the size, which is now fixed. Now, so you can see if I click device again, if I click this one, if I click this one, I can center it. accordingly. Yeah, this is done. Now I need to center this one. So your device is clicked. Yeah, so this is done, and I can export this one, this one, this one, and this one. I need this 4, so let me just, no, not 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need this 4 layers, so let me just click this one and let me wait. So here's screenshot. So it has downloaded the zip. So you can see my all 4 sizes are there. So let me just paste here. So 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me go here and choose file 11 to 14, and finger crossed the app screenshots are getting updated. And this is a 20-minute tutorial. I know this is not what you wished, but yeah, this is it. And now can I delete or choose file? So I can rearrange. Yes, I can rearrange. Be proud of your track your bad habits. And yes, this is maintain streak by not performing bad habits. So yeah. So my iOS is done. Now I need to make significant changes in iPad, and the same significant changes in my macOS. The iPad and macOS sizes I have checked; those are perfect. Just the iPhone didn't like it was not perfect, so I had to manually show you how exactly you can edit it according to your own need. So this is it, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.